Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today we're going to show you guys a new product we're introducing. It is a 300ZX plug and play harness. Now, this is constructed the same way our other Pro harnesses are constructed, with a nice braided loom and some fiberglass sections to keep heat away from it. So this is going to be a nice replacement for your factory harness. We do sell a lot of the OEM series ones, but this one's designed to be hidden a little bit. It has the fuse block integrated into it, so there's no upper and lower harness. We also made the coil branches detachable, and these are designed to be routed through the intake manifold. Now, this is nice that they're removable because you can change coils in the future if you want to upgrade to a smart coil setup. This is really designed to be used with a plug and play style ECU like an AM version 2 or a Haltech unit. We did not include the factory narrowband oxygen sensors in it for that reason, because likely customers will be using wideband controllers with analog inputs in the ECU. So this is just a little teaser of what the product will be in the next few months when it's released, and hopefully you guys will like it.